Are you suffering from tennis elbow and finding it difficult to understand which exercises to start and where to start? Here's a quick generic guide. First of all, let us understand what is tennis elbow. Tennis elbow is a soft tissue injury where you feel pain on the outer side of the elbow. Usually this pain is appreciated on any gripping activity. It can be a gross gripping activity or maybe a fine motor activity depending on the intensity of injury. So while you have acute pain, the only exercises recommended is simple range of motion exercises. In pain-free range, you just touch the painful range and keep moving through the range of motion, keeping your elbow straight and moving the wrist. Then gripping and opening, making a fist. You don't intend to fist too tight. It is gently fisting and opening the fingers. Remember, we are working on just the range of motion. As you get more comfortable with this range of motion exercises and you feel there is no pain while doing these movements, you can add up the resistance. Take a hand towel, roll it over like this and grip it tight between your fist, keeping your elbow straight. Grip, hold the contraction for 5 to 10 seconds and slowly release. Grip it again, hold and release. It is important to hold the contraction, and it is okay if you are not able to grip too tight. Now, as you get comfortable with this exercise, the next progression would be placing your forearm over a table comfortably, trying to extend your wrist and resisting the movement with the other hand like this. Again, it is not important how intense pressure you're applying, but it is more important that you hold the contraction and release. You can perform each exercise 10 repetitions multiple times during the day, understanding how does your body feel. Remember, it is important that your pain should not worse while doing the exercises or thereafter. If your pain is worsening, that clearly means that you overdid the exercise. Enjoy the exercise.